Maximus Analysis here for October 4th, 2016, and you see we're continuing to flirt within this triangle of tightening, compressing volatility. Again, you have lower highs, higher lows. My bias is to the short side. Again, we could see based on just some Fibonacci levels that we're about to 50%. They probably stopped around the 61 or 7. Yeah, there you go. So again, they've been just teeter-tottering between these levels, and I post out the levels every morning. The big ones are 2162, 2151, and 2139.5. We've been tapping those all day. We actually just tapped under 43, so we'll see where we break. Again, we want to see if they're going to break below, test out this breakout level. I don't know if you see it here. That's the breakout. If we look at the big picture, which we always like to do with the weekly, you can see that's the breakout level from these highs. Okay, they got above it and just ran out of gas. So we'll continue to watch and see where they go from here. And again, the close, if they get a close under 2120, again, that's 2 weeks back, and we'll get some continuation to the downside and see how deep we go. Again, levels are given in the newsletter. You can get it from there. And Q continues to just give small body candles after this huge reversal at this top. I think again it's mostly the FANG stocks that are being put up, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, and Google, to hoist this up, and that's not enough to really help the markets in a major way. So we'll continue to watch. The YM, again, if you're new to the channel, all of these, all the symbols you can see if you want to scroll through the video and get to a certain thing. I you can see it in the upper left hand corner right here, and it actually gives you the symbol and then the time frame right there. So again, we're pivoting towards this area, and we'll continue to watch. Again, back to the chop areas, false breakout, reversal so far, and we'll see what happens for tomorrow. Again, it seems to be going day by day. Gold took a beating today, severe beating today, and we will continue to watch this one and see where. Again, I'm bullish this. I'm just looking for an area to get long, and again, I have no problem waiting till the end of the week, or maybe a week or two, or next week, to get a long position going for this one. So continue to watch and see where it goes from here, because again, I wait till it gives me a proper setup versus trying to chase it. You have crude continue to pop up. Again, we'll watch it here. Let's look on the daily, and you can see that they popped up. Again, want to see if they're going to, what happens if they break this low, because we are extended, very high volume here. This was that OPEC whatever. Again, we'll continue to watch as this volume has died down. So we're going to see if we get a break below this low. Again, you have a lot of breakout traders here that will never put their stop underneath here. So again, I tell you about this because it's a very, 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 very important is risk management plus risk reward to have targets, and I post all those things as well for you guys. Looking at the pound, you can see that the pound is in uncharted land. This is the Brexit low, and again, going towards the weekly, you could see that where we are right here. So again, they need to give a false break reversal and reverse this back up to at least come back into this area. But again, look more for the the higher low to trade versus trying to see how low this can go. I'm just not going to play that game. Even if we have positive divergence, I'd rather wait for a higher low versus trying to catch this falling knife. So we will keep looking at these high level things. Again, we had TLT again starts to break down here. Better area that I like to see the setup is in this area, and we also have the dollar is actually up, and want to see how it continues. And again, I don't know if that's the wrecking ball. I know for gold, yes, and I thought oil would follow suit, and it hasn't so far, but it's still, the week is early. It's Tuesday, so we'll continue to watch here. And again, please, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to put them in the link below, or you can always email me at maximusanalysis@gmail.com. Also, if you need the newsletter, use that Gmail account and shoot it over to me. I'll get it. Make sure you're on the distribution list. Take care, and I will see what happens tomorrow.